Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to recreate this design that I saw on Binance. Okay, right. So the size we'll be using is 904 for the width and 1280 for the height. The first thing I want to do is to get this saved. All right, I have saved it. Now I'm going to go over here and get that slant wedge on the ground there. All right, the word is, let me put this down, do not disturb. The word there is Sahaida Rotina. Okay, and there's another word there. Okay, so we have a Trina corridor. All right, so this is the word. We're going to go over here and get a decent font to use. Let's use this. Then we're going to close it up like this. All right, so just stretch it out and let the background be transparent like this. Come over here and save. All right, we've saved that, so we can come back to this original design here, this guy here. So we'll be using this guy, so I'm just going to import it again because we'll definitely use the background. So I just want to bring it here. So that word that is sleeping on or lying on the ground, we can use perspective to get it. So import this guy and then we try to do it. So go to perspective. All right, then enable it, then start moving the edges like this until you're able to get what you want. So I'm going to move this one here, I'm moving this guy here, then this guy I'm going to try to adjust it like this. This guy is going to sleep like this, so like this. What is this? All right, so something like that. Okay, so stuff like that. You can see that the terrace is sleeping or lying on the ground like that now. Okay. All right, so for this whole background thing, the first thing I want to do is to bring in this guy here. This guy, I'm going to bring it to the front like this, and I'm going to try to make it adjust with the color that I have here. All right, so we'll bring this. Getting that color may not be easy, but let's just try to see how we can get it. All right, so we would blend this. So what I want to do now is, let me still work on it. Let's still work on it. All right, that's not a color. It's kind of, let's reduce this. All right, so you keep adjusting it until you get what you wanted. So I'm going to bring in this shape, all right, like this, and I'm going to change the color to this color here, this one. All right, I may still make it darker. All right, like this. All right, so we have something like this. Okay. All right, so we have to blend that edge, those edges. To do that, we'll need, let's bring this guy to the front. This guy is going to be, let me crop it out well. This guy is going to be somewhere here. Right, you can bring the original design just so we know. Oh, sorry. So bring this guy to the front now, and I try to adjust this guy. All right, bring this guy to the front. All right, bring this image to the front. Okay. We'll adjust it like this. All right, then there's some other words that we've got there. So let me take this guy hat. So we are almost there. All right, so there's this guy here. We don't know. Let's see whether he's going to even blend with the original design. So it's going to be something like that. Oh man. Okay. Reduce it. Still reduce it. Okay, it's going to be somewhere there like that. Sure. All right, then we have this guy here too. We'll just bring it to the front. All right, somewhere there. Okay, so then we have the social media icons here. Okay, what I'll do here is that I'm just gonna crop this one out. Then I'm going to copy it and I'll put it here. Then I'll crop this guy. All right, so all I do now is to blend both together. All right, I'll just merge them together. So we have the social media icon that is going to be there, very, very small at the edge there. So you can adjust it here. All right, so we have some other information that are there. So I'm going to use our own style to get those information. So let's check from the original design. We'll have some other information that are there. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to more for more tutorials like this. So right here we have, so I'm going to be using a shape. All right, I'm going to be using this shape. I'm going to be using this same shape here, this guy. So I'm going to copy it like this. Okay, I'll copy it. I will stretch it like this. All right, I'll stretch it like this, and I'll put it, let's say one is going to be here. All right, so I'm just going to get another stuff like this shape, and I'll put it there, and I'll put it there. So I'll just make the color maybe red or something like that. Okay, so I would send this one to the front. All right, then I'm going to mesh both together like this. All right, so there are some words that I've got there, so I'm just gonna put them together like this. So these guys are they have this this guy. So put one here, put one here. All right, so the shadow is really much, so just increase this. Copy again. So copy again. So we have these guys here with some words. So I'm going to mesh them together and just reduce the size a little. All right, then I'll move them to the bottom. 1 2 3 4. Move them to the bottom here. Okay, all right, so what will just be there is just text 5K blah 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 blah. So let's go. All right, so that's it. Then right here we have this it's more like the logo anyway. So we have per Pagi menus. Alright, we have it here with a long font kind of. Then we'll put it like this here, stretch it out. Alright, and we'll put this guy. So instead of putting that one, we can actually come over here, just do it like this. Bring in the white. Alright, so we'll send, just still reduce this. So we'll send this one to the front like this. Alright, so that we can merge both together like this. Alright, so we'll put this one here. Just reduce it and put it there. Alright, so there's another one there. So just bring one of these and just stretch it out like this. Okay, stretch it out like this. It's going to come from here. It's going to stretch out to this part here. Close it up and bring it here. Okay, then we'll copy this, reduce it. We'll copy this guy, so putting it here. We're copying this guy and we're bringing it here, make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so stretch this here. So we've got some words there, but alright, so for time's sake, I'm just gonna put just this guy here. Alright, then we also have this word here, something here too. Alright, with some other, let me just get a quote. Okay, alright, go back, copy this, get a quote. Alright, so we'll just use normal font for this. Normal font for this, let's use this guy here. So it's gonna be there like that. So because of the way it is, we want to centralize it like this. Alright, okay, so that's it. It's cool, right? Alright, so at the top there we have some guys. So I'm just gonna use this guy here. Alright, this guy here. Just reduce it like this. Alright, move it down. Alright, so also at this place here we have some other words. Alright, so I'm just using dummy words, okay, just so we can save all the time that we have. Then I think at the bottom here we have Vagas Limidala. It is more like a Spanish word. Limita das. Right, so we'll use this guy. Don't forget to like this video, okay, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Alright, so after that we will still have something there. I'm gonna just mesh this together. Alright, I'm meshing those together, then I'm copying them like this. I'm bringing it here. I'm bringing it here. Alright, so I'm bringing these guys to the front, this guy to the front, this guy to the front. Alright, there's something here. I'm bringing it to the front too. Alright. Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I get more tutorials like this. We could actually blend this, but I don't want the time to be more than 15 minutes. Alright, so it's just showing you how to manipulate and get what you want done in a very, very simple way. Alright. Okay, so this guy can be here like this. All right, cool. All right, so we're going to end this tutorial here. Like the video, subscribe, check the link in the description to get the resources that I used to create this flyer. I'll see you.